Hello and welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded any videos for a little while. We have been away a couple of times. We were in Malta in January. I need to edit those videos and upload those. And recently we've been here, which is La Pineda on the Costa Dorada in Spain. I'm just going to do a walk along the seafront here. There won't be much commentary, so I'll just let you take in the view. And the week that we've been here, they've been doing a lot of work on this promenade. So I stayed at that hotel there, which is the Golden Donaire Beach, I believe. I will be doing a video tour of that and a room tour as usual, so keep an eye out for those videos. So a lot of renovation has gone on here. And moving a lot of sand. So let me know in the comments if you've been here. Especially what it was like before they renovated all this area. So I've been very lucky with the weather this week that we've been here. We had a look at the forecast before we came, and it said it was going to be overcast with a chance of rain on some days, but we haven't had one drop of rain. And today has been the windiest day. You can probably see the waves on the sea. So just going to walk down the promenade there to that white building there in the distance, and then I'll do another video of the shops. So keep an eye out for that one. We are here off season, so it is a bit quieter than it normally would be. What I do like here is relatively flat. There is a couple of little hills, but all this area is very flat. And you can see from the video it's well maintained, very clean. Don't know if the camera will pick that up, but there's a cool yacht there. Some sound lounges just to have a chill out. There is some construction work going on. You'll probably be able to hear it on the other video when I'm taking a walk up the shops and the restaurants. But I think this area is only literally finished this week, because when we arrived it was all fenced off. There's some cool hammocks there. Just take a look back of how far I've come. So I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed my walk along the promenade here in La Pineda. Let me know in the comments below if you have been here or are planning to come here. So as usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.